Welcome to Snook's Dream Cars. Snook's Dream Cars is located in Bowling Green, Ohio. It's a Harvest House location, so we boondocked here overnight.
Okay, so here we are.
At Snook's Dream Cars. Look at the oil holder little can holders.
Oh, cool.
They would take the cans of oil after they were done, and they would flip them upside down so that the waste went into there. Whatever was left would go into the bottom.
Nice.
And then they'd be able to have some more oil.
Sorry, our gimbal battery died just as I was beginning to record. I'll do my best to keep it sturdy.
Good old Coca-Cola memorabilia too.
Yeah.
Go inside and check her out.
Let's do it.
So this is the entry room. Come inside here. Got a bunch of old gun machines. Pretty cool.
Look, there's a ballpoint
Pen vending machines. Look at that.
Wow. Wow. Haven't pens come a long way?
Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
Old light bulbs.
Probably try.
Old hand pump right there. Lots and lots and lots of stuff in here. It's really neat to see it on the old cards still, you know, like the old display cards.
I know. Super neat.
Alright.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Look at the Avon bottle of speed.
Yep.
That's cute.
I think my grandpa had the stagecoach one there.
Mm-hmm.
He had a stagecoach. Yeah, the stagecoach, and he had a race car too. Oh, I see a Mustang back there. Is that a 64 and a half, or it's convertible? It's old gaming machines. Pretty cool. And the slot machines work. So you can get change in the gift shop and play the slot machine.
Look at this penny one. It's a shooting game.
Good old school Schwinn, a real
That's all
Schwinn.
the gasoline toppers.
Yeah, the crowns. That's the same one. The crowns are what they had in Sleeping Bear.
That's cool. Look, it's a sobriety test.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool.
I guess he always got these as a Christmas gift, it says.
Austin Healey, starting right out of the gate with the Austin Healey at 1955. Right next to that, 1963 Jaguar. Jaguar, original price, $6,295. Beautiful Mustang right here in the middle, 1970. The one I really want to look at is over there a little bit. Looks like they got a 64.5 or 65, not sure. We'll find out when we get there. Oh, Triumphs, oh my goodness. Another Jaguar, beautiful cars, man. Perfect condition.
Car, do you know?
I don't have a favorite yet. I haven't seen them all.
We have to pick.
Porsche, there is no substitute. That almost looks like my Ghia, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's funny how it's all one piece, just like the Ghia. Beautiful Chevy Bel Air. Goodness gracious. A Datsun, this is E28, the Z40, 1971. This is the year I was born. '54 Kaiser. And then you've got the Kaiser pedal car.
I mean, they're matching. So
They are matching.
So far, these are my favorite.
Okay, you could drive the small one, Danette. I'll take the full-size one.
Okay.
You can fit in there. This one is 65. Okay, not a 64.5. Ooh, a Triumph. Oh, I want to see the original price of the Mustang. Let's see what the original price of the Mustang was back in 1965. $2,557.
Wow. If only.
They made 65,663, 64.5 and 65 convertibles. Nice. I love it. Old Woody. Original price $625.
Wow.
Big bucks. '63 Ford, 68 Deluxe. That's a Ford Jeep? Wow. I didn't know the Ford Motor Company made military Jeeps.
These are all his things. We'll build Snook.
Nice.
That's cool. These were found in an antique show in Sarasota.
Mm.
Well, thank you for your service, Mr. Bill Snook, Corporal Bill Snook. Reminds me of Dad.
This one? Yeah. Look at that Woody. Oh,
Oh my God.
that's so cool.
Ugh.
$1946. Get the surf rack on top.
Yup. Who's your favorite? Oh, that's creepy. And Duke sitting in a chair.
I know I saw him.
Huh?
I know I saw him. I'm not gonna lie. I think I kind of like the Woody.
Ah. Yeah. I feel like a twin car.
I love the Mustang too, but
Not my color, but it kind of seems like a little bit of an old lady color. I would honestly take any of them. I really kind of like the orange two-seater over there. That's pretty cool.
you do. The orange two-seater.
That one there.
The Datsun?
Yeah.
The Datsun 240Z.
Okay.
I think that's what Gene used to have. I think it was a 240Z. It was blue. Yeah, but Mustangs you have to do candy apple red. I think it's just a law. Alright, we can go back in and see the shop.
We hope you enjoyed Snook's Dream Cars as much as we did. If you're enjoying our content, the best way to support us is to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Give our episodes a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We're putting out new content every week, so make sure to join us for our next adventure. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.